you will be watching the migration from the HubSpot to the GoHighLevel, like step by step, what all sequence of things that you need to do to migrate from the HubSpot to the GoHighLevel. Basically, this video will be migration will be done by the migration expert Peter that personally works along with me. And let me tell you, not just that migration, like you'll be watching that migration video, you can do the migration yourself, or we are also providing the same Peter guy whose video you'll be watching is going to do the migration for you from the HubSpot to the GoHighLevel. So your complete migration will be done by Peter. What we are asking in return is just sign up to the GoHighLevel using my referral link, which is gohighlevel.com/Abdullah Zahid. By the way, guys, like if you do not know, like if you check on my YouTube channel, I've done interviews of the CEO and the co-founder of GoHighLevel, Sean Clark, another co-founder, Varun Varavan. Like it's a detailed, long, an hour-long interview. Even the interview with the spokesperson Chase Buckner, I have been part of like GoHighLevel, using the GoHighLevel from 2020, like 5 years back. I've won awards from the GoHighLevel, so definitely I live and breathe GoHighLevel, very much into it. And the link that we are talking about, if you type in the browser gohighlevel.com/Abdullah Zahid, you'll be able to find this is a special link they have created for us because we are their special affiliate. Any friend of Abdullah is our friend. 30-day free trial. You just go to gohighlevel.com/Abdullah Zahid, click on start an extended free trial, enter your name and details. Step 2, enter your card details. That's it. After that, you just email to me at abdullah@abdullahzahid.com or WhatsApp me at +971 5. I'm going to put it at the top, +971 588 601057, and I'm going to initiate your migration completely free from the same person, Peter, whose video you're going to watch. So watch this migration video. I wish you guys all the best. I really hope to hear from you regarding this.
This video, I'm going to show you how to transfer your business from the HubSpot CRM into the GoHighLevel CRM. So let's get into the video. So the three core things that you can transfer from your HubSpot CRM into your GoHighLevel CRM includes the the contacts, the pipelines, and your automations and workflows. So let's start with the contacts and pipelines. Actually, the same way you transfer your contacts is the same way you transfer your pipeline. So it's so easy. The same way you transfer your contact is the same way you transfer your pipeline. Very, very easy. So what you just do, you go to your contact and make sure you have your GoHighLevel account ready. Like this. This is my Go. This is the GoHighLevel account I want to use for the video. So yeah, all you need to do is just click on export. Click on export here. Then okay, so just rename this. Yeah, and just export this. So you get the exported file sent to your mail. Just check into your mail. Okay, yeah, so you get something like this. All you need to do is just download this, and yeah, you see it's downloaded and you're good to go. So you go into your HighLevel. Like I said, the same way you do this for the contacts is the same way you do it for the pipeline. So just go into your deals, your pipelines, go into your pipelines. If you want to export your pipelines to, click on deals. Okay, so you have our pipeline. You the same way. So this is a demo account, and because this is demo account, we can't create a pipeline and we don't have any pipeline. But let's say on your business account you have a pipeline. All you have to do is just click on the export button, and yeah, so you just click on the export button, same way we did for the contacts, rename this and export this, and you get it into your mail. So easy. So after to all you have to do is go into your HighLevel, click on import file, import contact. Okay, yeah, so we have a contact and opportunity. So if you have your opportunity or pipeline, all you have to do is click here. But if you don't, and since we don't, we are not clicking it. So you just click on next. So you upload your file. Yeah, so we have the downloaded file. We click on it. Yeah, so we have all you have to do here is just map the field into the correct place. So this is already mapped correctly. Last name, email, phone number, phone. Yeah, so we can leave this for now. So all you have to do is just don't import this thing. So click on next. Yeah, so if you want this to be in a smart list, you click smart list and just rename this. And yeah, so we're not adding this to a smart list now. So just click next. And yes, we are done. Our contact and pipeline in any minute will get transferred into our high level. So simple and easy. Yeah, so let's just reload this. Okay, so now while reloading that, let's go into the HubSpot. So yeah, if we have an automation here, and yeah, we don't have an automation here. So unlike the contact and the pipeline that you export into a CSV file, an automation cannot be exported, nor can it be transferred automatically. So what you do is you can take a screenshot or just check how your automation is being built here, the task, the action, the triggers, just get everything. And then you have to rebuild that in your high level. So let's say you have an automation in your business, you go here, you check your automation, you check the triggers and the actions, and you just come into your high level. Okay, let's see. Let's check our for our imported contact. Let's check for our imported contacts. We should have this by now. So sometimes it takes a little bit of time. All you just have to do is wait and get back to it. And then you see. So okay, for the automation, you just click on the automation. Yeah, in your high level. Okay, so and you create a new workflow, start from scratch, and then you copy exactly the way the workflow is on the HubSpot. You make sure you build that same thing on your high level and just save it and publish, and you are good to go. So you just add a trigger and add the actions. So that's all for the workflow, and that is how to transfer your business from your HubSpot CRM into the high level CRM. Let's check if we have our contacts now. Oh yeah, so our contact has been fully imported into the high level, and yeah, this we have the Maria blah blah blah. Yeah, so same as. So if you have an opportunity imported, you also get it in high level. So yeah, this, as you can see, these are all contact, and yeah, we have them here now. So thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe.
Hi, my name is Abdullah Zahid and I have a confession to make. I have been associated with GoHighLevel as an independent affiliate from the past 4 years. I've done interview of Sean Clark, the CEO and the co-founder, another co-founder Varun Varavan. Super amazing people these are, one of the best software, and that is why we are on a journey to promote this software to as many people as possible. So we thought of solving the problem of the agencies for free. We have seen a lot of agencies who sign up new or just get on board with the GoHighLevel. They have a lot of issues because they do not know this how do you set up, and then how do you use the system. They have a lot of question answer. They need constantly somebody to be around so that they can ask the question, they can get the setup. So they happen to even invest a lot of money hiring people around to get their website development, to do XYZ things. So we have converted all of this into a form of bonus for anybody who signs up using our referral link. So all you have to do is just go to the website abdullahzahid.com/snapshots, and that's where you can just click on the link and sign up for the 30-day free trial or upgrade to the $297 or the $497 plan. Now, what are the bonuses that we are going to give you? Number one, one-to-one WhatsApp support, personal WhatsApp support. A group will be formed between me, you, and my GoHighLevel expert person, and the lady will be constantly there for your support. We'll do the onboarding, all your question and answer, anything that you wish to get developed, she will be developing. My goal is that the WhatsApp group will be ended only when you say, okay, I am satisfied with the support. That's the number one. Number two, you will be getting 127 exclusive snapshot. Basically, these exclusive snapshot, if you individually try to get them in the market, you'll have to pay thousands of dollars just for one snapshot. This is a done for you template, by the way. But here you are going to get it completely free, the entire 127 snapshot set. Not just that, even the personal website or the funnel development, if you wish, our GoHighLevel expert will do it for you. Then the fourth bonus would be, we understand the importance of the artificial intelligence. So the AI employee, entire grasping, like teaching you how do you do that, how does it work, and even doing the setup if you wish for it. And personalized guidance to all the secret trainings and the courses that are available for you to watch and do, as well as the private community access. So this is a personalized time bonus that we are giving to you, which is a unique bonus that you are going to get as an affiliate, because a lot of other people have seen they provide done for you courses and bonus which you can get it anyways onto the YouTube and other promo materials. So here is the personalized support, which is really going to be beneficial for you guys. All you have to do is just go to the link abdullahzahid.com/snapshots as onto the screen, sign up for the 30-day free trial or upgrade to the $297 or $497 plan, and you are going to get, like, using the button link available there, you'll get all the bonus I just mentioned, irrespective whether you sign up using our link or not. I wish you guys all the best and I really love you. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hi guys, just want to shoot this quick video. Last month I signed up to GoHighLevel using Abdullah's affiliate link, and he gave me the snapshots as promised. And also I worked closely one-on-one with his GoHighLevel expert, and that was amazing and very helpful. She walked me through GoHighLevel, helped me create some workflows and automations. And yeah, if you're considering working with Abdullah or signing under his link, I highly recommend it. And yeah, wish you good luck. Cheers.
To further add to it, that you are even going to get access to this special mastermind group which I have created for the affiliate inner circle. That means all these people will be there in the personal WhatsApp group, so that it's easily accessible, easily anybody can type in their content, whatever that they feel like, and it's only available for the inner circle affiliates. The goal of this group is that people with similar goals move together, sharing each other the strategies and promoting each other to get the client, the best of the strategies that work to get the client. So basically this group especially for progressing towards getting the client, becoming that next SaaSpreneur. Having said that, this is apart from the 127 snapshot that you're going to get. This is apart from the one-to-one personal support that you are going to get with our expert and the WhatsApp group that I'm going to form. Now, the question is whether somebody who has who has already joined the GoHighLevel, can they have access to all these things and access to the mastermind group? Answer is yes. All you have to do is just enter our code AI bonuses into AI employee. How do you go there? Like, just go to your agency, click settings, click AI employee, manage offers, and then within field FP reference is equal to, just put AI BONUSES, AI bonuses, click apply, take the screenshot and send us to abdullah@abdullahzahid.com. We will ensure to deliver you the entire snapshot set, the AI powered scripts to convert all the snapshot into AI powered, and the mastermind group access. And most importantly, you have access to me once you find your first AI employee client. I wish you guys all the best. See you there.